Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about our next poem of English Standard 5th. Children, kindly open your textbook to page number 51. Okay. Only a Mother, written by George Cooper. Hundreds of stars in the pretty sky, hundreds of shells on the shore together, hundreds of birds that go singing by, hundreds of lambs in the sunny weather, hundreds of dewdrops to greet the dawn, hundreds of bees in the purple clover, hundreds of butterflies on the lawn, but only one mother the wide world over. Now, here the poem is trying to explain us, he's giving us examples of the entire world. Okay, children, he's trying to explain us what is the value of a mother. He's giving us different example of the world along, and he's trying to explain us what is the value of a mother, what does a role a mother plays in a child's life. Okay, he's trying to explain us in his poem. Okay, mother cannot be, he's also trying to tell us that mother cannot be compared to anyone else in this whole world. But above all these things, the poem says that for a child there is only one mother in this entire world. Okay, children, are you understanding the value of your mother? So in this poem, the poet is trying to explain us the value of a mother by giving examples of different things that is there in the world. Now one by one I will read out the words and I will explain you the meaning of the words also. Now, hundreds of stars in the pretty sky. Here he is giving an example of the stars. Can you see in the pretty sky how many stars are there? But it cannot be to a mother. Okay, what a mother does to a child, no other thing can do for him or her. Okay, hundred of shells on the shore together. Okay, shells. Do you know what are shells? If you have been to any beach or any park, you must have any beach. Sorry, if you have gone to any beach, you see shells. Okay, from which the white color shells and different shells you get, colored ones which you make necklace and all that. So he's also comparing mother to hundred of shells on a show together. On a show you get so many shells. Okay, that way. Hundreds of birds that go singing by. Okay, he's also comparing, he's also trying to explain us how hundreds of birds sing along. Okay, hundreds of lambs in the sunny weather. Okay, if you've seen lambs, a group of lamb walking around, okay, in the sunny weather, hundreds of dewdrops to greet the dawn. Okay, now what is dewdrops? The drop of water that we see on the leaves and the other surfaces early in the morning. Okay, especially in weather, only especially in the cold weather. Okay, dewdrop means, what is the meaning of dewdrops? Okay, the drop of water that we see on the surface of the leaf. Okay, and on the surface of the leaf in the morning, especially in the cold weather. Nowadays cold weather is going on. You see in the early morning the leaves are full of small droplets. Okay, those are called the dewdrops. Okay, then what is the meaning of dawn? The time when the first rays of light are seen before sunrise. Okay, the meaning of dawn is the first rays of sun. Okay, light, the first rays of light before it is sunrise. Okay, small light comes, okay, before the sun is rising, small rays of light you can see, that is called dawn. Okay, then hundred of bees in the purple clover. Okay, he's talking about the bees now. Clover means a small plant with pink or white ball shaped plants. Okay, that is called clover. Okay, clover is a small plant basically which have pink and white balls on. Okay, so he is also comparing mother as the bees, 100 of bees, how it bees on the clover, a small plant, that 100 of butterflies on the lawn. Now what is lawn? An area covered with grass, especially in front of house or park. Okay, when we have a house, okay, we make a small lawn there. Okay, so that area which is covered in front of the house and park is called a lawn. But only one mother the wide world over. Okay, here he's saying that though 100 of stars are there, though there are 100 of shells, birds singing around, 100 of lamps in the sunny weather, 100 of dewdrops to greet the dawn, then bees are there, then 100 of bees in the purple clover, everything. Okay, 100 of things are there in the world are over, but nobody can beat the love, the affection, the care, the support, okay, the touch, you can say, of a mother. Nobody can beat that one woman. That one woman is called the mother. Okay, so here the poet is giving us example of so many things in the worldwide, but nobody can beat that single person in our life which has great importance, and that is your mother children. Okay, so here the poet is trying to say how only one mother can bring so much of change in the life of a child. Okay, so this is the poem all about, student. Wide means big. Okay, world is so big na, so wide means big. Understood? So here he is trying to explain us the importance of a mother in the life of a child. Okay, so this way the poet is explaining us the importance of the mother. So this is the poem all about, students. If you have any doubt, any queries, you can ask me in the live sessions also. Okay, students, thank you.